Welcome to the Ravens Report. Thanks for watching. I'm Taitem.
And I'm Lexi. It's Monday, December 16th, just 4 more days until winter break. Today's no-cheat Christmas movie trivia question is, in the Polar Express, what word does the conductor punch out of the main character's ticket?
Winter Wishes was an epic success. Thanks to you, Ridgeview raised $3,314 for 13 families in our district. Great job to all who gave. 3 classes gave the most. Mr. Duras' class won a cookie party, Mrs. Felton's class won donuts, and the top class was Mrs. Weber's class, which wins a pizza party.
Our Ridgeview wrestlers had a very successful weekend on the mat at the prestigious North Bend Classic. The boys placed 5th out of 34 teams with just 7 of our varsity wrestlers competing. Cole Jackson was champion at 220 pounds and Ethan Reed was runner-up at 160 pounds. Also placing were Logan Shank, Zach Anderson, and Danny Cornejo. Our girls team placed 7th out of 23 teams with 2 champions in Brooke Sieber and Scout Bale. Also placing was Taylor Looney, who took 3rd in her weight class. Nice job, Ravens.
A couple of Ravens competed in the Junior World's Rodeo Finals last week in Las Vegas. Raven reporter Caleb Carpenter and Kennedy Buckner were at the week-long event. Caleb took 4th in team roping. Great job, Ravens.
Avanza is starting up again. Come to an informational meeting and to meet the new instructor, Dr. Claudia from COCC, on Thursday, December 19th at lunch in the Career Center. For form information about Avanza, you can visit the COCC website or see Mrs. Vigiano in the Counseling Center.
FBLA will be meeting this Wednesday during lunch in Mr. Graville's room for all FBLA members.
There's a softball interest meeting the Wednesday we get back from break. If you're interested in being part of the upcoming season and want to hear about upcoming open gyms and the plan this spring, then come to the meeting Wednesday, January 8th at 7 p.m. in the Skybox.
The Band and Choir Combined Winter Concert is this Thursday at 7 p.m. in the PAT. There will also be a silent auction with lots of cool things for attendees to bid on and possibly buy to take home.
Attention seniors, this is the last week to purchase your ticket for the Safe and Sober graduation party at the price of $20. The price for tickets will increase in January, so buy them now. Please see Randy Davis in the Future Center with further questions.
And now, let's make some fudge.
Hi, this is our first episode of the Christmas Cooking Show. I'm your host, Gannon. And today, we're going to be making the only thing that can make your family happy, which is fudge. So you're going to need to get some water boiling so you can melt down the chocolate chips and the condensed milk. Now that you have your ingredients, you're going to take your 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. Just going to dump that in there. Look at that. You see that? That's when you know it's cooking. You're going to pound that, make sure you get it all out of there. Punch a little bit. Take your 2 cups of your chocolate chip cookies. Just dump that in. Right. So now you're going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now that the water's boiling, you're going to want your bowl right here. And you're going to want to turn off the heat. Take this off. Put this above it. And start stirring it until the chocolate melts. Stir your vanilla extract. You want to get your pan ready with that parchment paper on there. You want to take this off. Pour that on. And do it nicely. So now, once you have it all even around you, I want you to get the top all kind of flat, so it's nice and even. What you doing? Shower. Yes. For today, I've made you a nice piece of fudge straight out of the kitchen. I'd like you to try this. Do I actually have to eat it?
Yes. It's really good, I promise. Don't poke it, just eat it.
Is it good? I wouldn't feed that to my dog.
Shaw, why are you so mean to me? I make good food.
That's it for today. The answer to today's no-cheat Christmas movie trivia question, in the Polar Express, the conductor punches out the word believe. As always, check out our YouTube page at youtube.com/RidgieRavens. I'm Lexi.
And I'm Taitem. Have an epic day and stay classy.
Yeah!